Welcome to Review the Best by, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical water softener, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from water softener, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best water softener from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Aquasure Harmony Series Whole House Water Softener with Digital Metered Control Head. Transform your home's water quality with the Aquasure Harmony Series Whole House Water Softener with Digital Metered Control Head. Perfectly designed for 3 to 4 bathrooms, this professional-grade system delivers ultra-softened water to every faucet. It efficiently treats 48,000 grains of hardness, removing skin-damaging minerals like calcium and magnesium, while the triple-purpose sediment or carbon or zinc pre-filter eliminates 99% of contaminants, including chlorine, VOCs, pesticides, and heavy metals. Protect your plumbing and extend the life of appliances like your washing machine, dishwasher, and water heater by preventing scale buildup. The automatic digital metered control head features a programmable backlit display, allowing you to customize auto flush intervals and monitor performance with ease. Built with premium materials including a corrosion-resistant tank and durable bypass valve, this system is backed by a 5-year warranty and lifetime US-based tech support. Enjoy cleaner, softer water with Aquasure's trusted performance and customer support. Number 2. Aquasana Whole House Water Filter System Water Softener Alternative. Experience clean, great-tasting water from every tap with the Aquasana Whole House Water Filter System Water Softener Alternative. This high-performance system removes 97% of chlorine and reduces harmful contaminants like pesticides, herbicides, and VOCs, while maintaining a fast and reliable flow rate. Featuring carbon and KDF filtration media, a UV purifier, and salt-free scale control media, or SCM, this system prevents scale buildup without using salt or chemicals, making it an eco-friendly choice. Designed for households of 4+, it conditions water for drinking, cooking, and bathing, while leaving essential minerals intact. With a capacity of 1 million gallons or 10 years, it provides cost-sufficient purification at less than 0.01 per gallon, saving you money compared to other brands. No cleaning, backwashing, or electricity required. Enjoy healthy, pure water and protect your plumbing with Aquasana's advanced filtration technology, perfect for homes with moderate water hardness. Number 3. A.O. Smith Whole House Salt-Free Descaler System works with city and well water filters. Protect your plumbing and appliances with the A.O. Smith Whole House Salt-Free Descaler System, designed to reduce scale buildup in pipes without using salt or chemicals. Perfect for households of 4+, this system works with both well and city water, providing a cost-efficient and long-lasting solution for up to 6 lacked gallons or 6 years. Unlike traditional water softeners, it does not remove essential minerals, but prevents scale formation using advanced scale control media, or SCM technology. No cleaning, backwashing, salt bags, or electricity required. It's ideal for water with moderate hardness, under 15 grains per gallon, and effectively conditions water for drinking, cooking, showering, and bathing. With a compact design and easy installation, it seamlessly integrates into your home's water system. Plus, it comes with a 6-year warranty for peace of mind. Keep your water clean and your pipes protected with A.O. Smith's innovative salt-free descaling solution. Number 4. Whole House 3-Stage Water Filtration System with reduces lead chlorine, chloramine. Ensure clean, safe water for your home with the iSpring Whole House 3-Stage Water Filtration System. Designed to reduce chlorine, lead, chloramine, pesticides, herbicides, and heavy metals, this powerful system provides 1 lakh gallons of purified water, making it ideal for families of 4. The 3-stage filtration process includes a polypropylene sediment filter 5 microns, a compound filter for heavy metals, and a CTO carbon block filter made from high-quality coconut shell carbon. With a high flow rate of up to 15 GPM, it delivers cleaner water for drinking, cooking, bathing, and more. The DIY-friendly installation includes all necessary components, and each filter is independently tested to meet NSF or ANSI standards. Plus, iSpring offers expert customer support from its headquarters in Atlanta, GA. Keep your essential minerals while removing harmful contaminants. Upgrade to iSpring's whole house water filtration system for better water quality today. Number 5. Whirlpool Hybrid Water Softener and Whole House Filtration System. Grade your home's water quality with the Whirlpool Hybrid Water Softener and Whole House Filtration System, a 2-in-1 solution that removes hard water minerals and harmful contaminants in a single space-saving unit. With a 31,000 grain capacity, it effectively removes hardness up to 120 GPG and iron up to 3 ppm, preventing scale buildup and reddish-brown stains on appliances. This smart system features demand-initiated regeneration, optimizing salt and water usage, saving up to 25% more than older models. Say goodbye to replacing filters. Its self-cleaning filter ensures long-lasting performance without maintenance. Designed for families of 1 to 5, it reduces sediment, chlorine taste, and odor, providing clean, soft water for your entire home. With a high service flow rate of 8 GPM and compatibility with 1:1 by 4-inch plumbing, installation is seamless. Proudly designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA, backed by Whirlpool's reliable support. Experience softer, cleaner water today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.